So guys, what are we doing now?
Zombie.
Zombies?
We are going to play Nerf gun, and then Daddy is going to be the zombie. So you shoot him. Are you ready, Daniel? Okay.
Are you ready? Yes? You gonna hunt for the zombies now? Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Zombies coming out in 3, 2, go! What are you doing? But why you close the door? Don't close the door. Okay, run up. You don't want? What are you doing? You scared? You ready? Zombies coming out in 3, 2, 1. Zombies! Zombie has 4 hands. Where are you? What's that? Why are you screaming like those? Okay, come out. Not inside the room, outside. Wait. Why you scream like those?
No, I thought you stood down, and then when I look, you're over there.
Okay.
And then you're right there.
Okay, ready? One more time. Zombies hiding again. 3, 2, 1. Zombies ready! Are you okay? So, are you afraid of the zombie just now?
Yes.
You're afraid? He's very scary. The zombie is scary.
Hey, zombie.
Yeah. How does the zombie look like?
Mommy zombie.
Huh?
Hey, look at mommy zombie and daddy zombie.
Your daddy zombie? Is he? Are you afraid of the zombie?
Mommy is zombie and daddy zombie.
Mommy zombie and daddy zombie?
Yes.
Really? Is the zombie very big and fat? This
Mommy
one?
is zombie.
Yeah, the zombie is big and fat. See? Yeah.
Inside.
What's inside? What's inside?
Pillows.
Is it just a pillow? Yeah.